Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove incognito mode in Google Chrome on Windows computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. When you click on three dot icon on upper right corner, you will find new incognito window and you can open incognito window in your Windows computer. If you want to remove this incognito window type, you have to follow some steps. Let's go to remove incognito window. In search, type EGIT. Now right click on registry editor and click on run as administrator. Registry editor has been opened. Now expand HT local machine. Now expand software. Then expand policies. Right click on policy and select new key and keep the name of key is Google. Now right click on Google key and again select new key, type Chrome. Now select Chrome key and right click on empty area and click on new DW32-bit value. Now change the name of the value as incognito mode availability. Now rename and paste incognito mode availability. Now right click on the value and click on modify and set the value 1 and now click on OK. Now close registry editor, open Google Chrome, click on three dot icon on upper right corner and look, the incognito window is disabled right now. I can't open incognito window right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.